getting ready for my show tonight. Oh, I have something so awesome planned. You're just not going to believe it. It's a celebrity interview with Dennis McSorley. You may know him. He's been written up in all the newspapers as the funniest man to come out of Queens wearing short pants. So that's at 8 o'clock tonight. And I'm really, this is really going to be incredible. But so I just want to say that normally when I clean, it's, oh God, no, oh, wait, that was a little much. So, Rick, I can't turn this thing off. Can you help me? So,
I don't know how.
what do you think you're on? All right, so tune in tonight because it's, so actually, oh yeah, hey, wait.